Good morning all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, March 21st. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So remember, first thing, most important, it's options expiration. So remember, some expire on the opening and the majority expire at 4 today. So the first 15 minutes of trading could be even more choppy than usual if we open up inside this balance and value. Keep that in mind. And then again at 3:30, be aware. M period is dangerous as it is. So on a day like today, it could be even more erratic. That's number one. Number two, we all had inside days. Okay? Inside day, you come out of it, you go with it, monitor for continuation, and just as importantly, lack of. So we'll see which way we attempt to come out of the inside days today. Okay? If it's to the downside, Tuesday's low is your balance low, and then you have the rest of the rollover gap in ES. If it's to the upside, we should be bringing the dailies back to up and breaking through the balance high. And that goes for NQ also. On NQ's downside, Tuesday's low is the balance low. Okay? You get through there, and then you have a pretty clean run from 600 down to about 437. So a lot of things to keep in mind. But please, lack of is just as important as monitoring for continuation. Okay? Righty, also an inside day. Now, one difference is they're up to balance because they went up on Wednesday, up to balance yesterday, and look at them now trading below yesterday's low. Okay? So keep that in mind. Again, yesterday's low will not be defended by the bulls. It is interesting where the overnight lows are. So for that reason, if you think you want to front run them, you can take it for that. But it won't be because they're defending yesterday's low. If anything, they'd be defending the overnight low. Yesterday's highs, quite a different story. Because it's right near, it's right near the balance highs. So keep that in mind. The bigger defense for the bulls will come if we take out yesterday's low and go test Tuesday's lows, which will be the bottom of our balances. Okay? So please keep that in mind as today evolves. We're going to recap all of these charts tonight from top to bottom. For now, again, I keep stressing the 200-day moving average in SPY. We've been below it. I still think the volumes have been light. I think there's a lot of money sitting on the sidelines, but I also know that a lot of long-term money is in the money pretty good from 22 and most of 23, right? So if at some point this turns out to be a failure and we ever get below, say, this 550 level in SPY, instead of long-term money coming in to buy it, you might see them sell it. And vice versa, if they come out of this above the balance, above the 200 with some acceptance at some point, they may put some to work on the long side. Good luck trading today. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to these videos. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.